Everyone assumes the 2026 Honda CR-V is just another reliable daily driver, but many owners are discovering something interesting. Ownership costs that remain surprisingly low even as features and efficiency improve. What if this refresh quietly made one of America's favorite SUVs an even smarter long-term buy without the usual hidden expenses? Hey everyone, welcome back to AeroNext Auto, where we break down the cars that matter in real life. Today, we're looking at the 2026 Honda CR-V, the latest update of one of America's best-selling SUVs. By the end of this video, you'll know how it looks, drives, and what it's like to own every day. Let's start with the design. The front of the 2026 CR-V looks clean and modern. Sharp LED headlights stretch outward and give the SUV a confident look. The grille stays simple on gas models, while hybrid versions feature a smoother EV-inspired panel. Sculpted hood lines add character and help the vehicle look more dynamic. From the side, the proportions feel balanced. The long wheelbase and short overhangs give the SUV a stable stance. Available 18-inch wheels fill the arches nicely, with gloss black finishes on sport trims and rugged gray wheels on trail sport models. The gently sloping roofline keeps the crossover stylish without sacrificing practicality. At the rear, the signature vertical taillights remain one of the CR-V's most recognizable elements. They create a modern lighting signature that looks premium without being flashy. Inside, the CR-V focuses on comfort and usability. The dashboard follows a clean, horizontal layout that feels open and driver-friendly. A 9-inch touchscreen is now standard and sits high on the dash for easier viewing. Physical climate controls remain, making adjustments simple while driving. Higher trims feature a digital instrument cluster up to 10.2 inches. Materials throughout the cabin feel solid, with soft touch surfaces on the dashboard and doors. Upper trims add leather seating for a more premium feel. The seats are supportive, and both front and rear passengers have plenty of headroom and legroom. Technology is another highlight. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard for easy smartphone integration. Higher trims include Google built-in for navigation and voice commands. Honda's Sensing Safety Suite is also standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. On the road, the CR-V delivers a smooth driving experience. Gas models use a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, producing about 190 horsepower, responsive enough for daily driving and highway merging. Hybrid models step things up with a combined output of around 204 horsepower. Instant electric torque helps acceleration feel smoother in city driving. Ride quality stays comfortable over bumps, and steering feels light yet predictable. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. Gas models deliver about 28 city and 33 highway mpg with front-wheel drive. Hybrid versions can reach around 43 mpg in the city. Many owners report real-world numbers close to those estimates, giving the CR-V excellent range. Ownership costs are where the CR-V shines. Honda's reliability reputation, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value make it a smart long-term vehicle. Combined with spacious cargo capacity and everyday usability, the CR-V becomes a practical SUV for many drivers. Pricing starts around $32,000 for base models and reaches roughly $42,000 for higher hybrid trims. Compared with rivals like the Toyota RAV4 or Hyundai Tucson, the CR-V stands out for its balance of comfort, efficiency, and value. So, is the 2026 Honda CR-V worth buying? For families, commuters, or anyone wanting a dependable and efficient SUV, the answer is yes. What would you choose, gas or hybrid? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to AeroNext Auto for more real-world car breakdowns.